Safeguarding Public Trust, A Call for Procedural Integrity at Tima. By Reverend Gerald Spade Sr. The Irvona Municipal Authority, Tima, stands as a vital steward of our community's essential services. As such, it must also serve as a model of lawful, transparent, and procedurally sound employment practices. Yet, upon review of the October 2023 Employee Handbook adopted by Tima's Board of Directors, serious concerns arise regarding whether the handbook adequately protects employee due process rights, specifically as defined in the landmark case Cleveland Board of Education v. Loudermill, 470 U.S. 532, 1985. In Loudermill, the United States Supreme Court held that public employees with a property interest in their jobs are entitled to certain constitutional protections before termination. These include notice of the charges, an explanation of the employer's evidence, and a meaningful opportunity to respond. This ruling makes clear, public employers cannot dismiss personnel arbitrarily, even in at-will jurisdictions, if their own policies or actions create an expectation of continued employment. Tima's handbook, although disclaiming any contract of employment, outlines a tiered disciplinary process and grievance structure that clearly resembles a for-cause framework. In doing so, it may inadvertently create the type of employment expectation that triggers due process rights under Loudermill. More concerning is what the handbook omits. Nowhere does it affirm the right of employees to a pre-termination hearing. Instead, it permits immediate dismissal in certain cases, with written notice to follow only after the fact. Furthermore, the grievance process excludes employees who have been discharged, depriving them of any meaningful post-termination review. This is not just a matter of legal technicality. It is a matter of fairness, dignity, and responsible governance. The residents we serve expect more than utility bills paid and pumps maintained. They expect that those entrusted with public authority will wield it with integrity. To avoid costly litigation and restore public confidence, I respectfully urge the Tima Board to amend the handbook to explicitly outline a pre-termination procedure in alignment with constitutional due process. Clarify the scope and availability of the grievance process following dismissal. Ensure internal policies harmonize with the asserted at-will status to avoid misleading employees. Procedural justice is not an administrative nuisance, it is the cornerstone of public service ethics. As we navigate economic pressures and infrastructural challenges, let us not forget that how we treat our own employees reflects how we value every citizen. Let us strive not merely to enforce authority, but to embody the standards by which authority should be measured. Verification of evidence was secured by Standard Right to Know request form dated June 26, 2025 and hand-delivered by Tima on 3:44 p.m., June 27, 2025 by Tima employee. The RTKL request was for all documents that support the actions of the Irvona Municipal Authority Board of Directors' action regarding employee in their care. An employee was given a leave of absence without pay and due process rights.